The Story Recipe Project: Foods that Celebrate Memory, Place, and Tradition. Hey everyone, I'm so excited to introduce you to the final major assessment for this course, the Story Recipe Project. This is your chance to explore the deeper meaning behind a dish that matters to you and to bring together storytelling, food, culture, and the themes we've studied this semester. This project brings it all together: personal reflection, literary themes, and food as narrative. Like Kaya and Jean, you'll tell a story through the food that connects you to people, place, and memory. You can choose your format, write a short essay, or create a video. Either one should feel authentic, expressive, and personal. Whichever format you choose, be sure to include the 5 core components that we'll walk through next. First, start with a strong image or moment. What does this dish feel like to you? Introduce the food and its emotional or cultural importance. Set the stage for a personal story about more than just ingredients. Now help us picture the dish. What are the ingredients? When is it made? Holidays, seasons, or every Sunday? What memories are tied to the smells and sounds in the kitchen? Now, here we have arrived at the heart of your project. Tell us the story behind the dish. Who has passed it down? What's the place or memory you return to when you think of it? How does it connect to who you are? Now make a connection to the literature or the documentary. Does your dish reflect survival, resourcefulness, or connection to land, like Kaya gathering mussels or Jean hunting caribou? Draw a parallel between your food story and the stories we've explored. Food can tell us a lot about sustainability and values. Was this dish created from simple ingredients? Does it honor the land or minimize waste? What does it teach us about community care or food justice? End by reflecting on what this dish has taught you. What lessons or traditions does it carry forward? Bring the story full circle. Maybe return to that memory or image from your introduction, now with new meaning. Here's your final checklist. If you've covered all of these points, you're in great shape. Be honest, be thoughtful, and tell a story that only you can tell about a memorable dish and where it came from. Here's your final check. Now it's your turn to tell the story. Choose a dish that means something to you, not just something fancy or traditional, but something real. Let your memories and reflections guide you. Don't worry about getting it perfect, just be honest, descriptive, and thoughtful. Whether it's biscuits, mole, tomato gravy, or pho, your dish has a story, and I can't wait to experience it through your words or videos. Thanks for the work you've done all semester to connect reading, writing, and reflection in meaningful ways. You've made it to the final project, and I am really proud of you.